Fantastic! $9,163. If you're searching for a reliable trading strategy that delivers instant profits, look no further. In this video, I unveil a straightforward yet highly effective strategy boasting an impressive success rate of up to 80%. Make sure to watch until the end to grasp the core principles of this strategy. Before we begin, take a moment to like and subscribe to support me and contribute to creating more valuable videos. I'm building a trading community to grow together. If you're interested in working with me and my team, please visit the link in the description to register an account and receive a 50% bonus on every deposit. More importantly, I commit to providing full support for any questions, sharing the best strategies, and helping you understand how I conduct trades. Contact me through Telegram to join my team, and I'll provide all the information you need. Whether you start with $5, $10, or even $100, it doesn't matter. Let's build a strong community and go far on this journey together. I set up a 1p candlestick chart and a 1p time frame. Access the indicator to activate two moving average lines and the stochastic oscillator indicator. With the first moving average, period, 7, moving average, EMA, I chose the blue color and increased the thickness of the moving average. For the second moving average, period, 2, moving average, EMA, I chose the red color and increased the thickness of the moving average. Stochastic oscillator data, 16, 3, 3, 73, 23, and I also thickened the indicator line. I seized a promising opportunity and allocated all my capital to this particular trade. Allow me to elucidate why I anticipate a price decrease. Observing two moving averages, I noticed their downward intersection coinciding with the emergence of red candles. Yet, for a more precise signal, I rely on an additional factor, the stochastic oscillator indicator. Its lines intersected in the overbought zone before descending, affirming a clear downtrend. Great, my first guess was correct. I will find new situations to trade. Given the current circumstances, I foresee a price uptick ahead. All that's required is adherence to the two factors I outlined in our prior transaction, the implementation of moving averages and stochastic oscillator indicators. As you know, when I install indicators, I rely on them to analyze the market. Excitingly, my capital has now surged to $409, a modest figure, yet a promising start indeed. I don't know if your accounts are experiencing the same issue as mine, but today all my trading results are showing up in the bottom left corner. I'm patiently awaiting a clear signal, a crossover of two moving averages. Currently, both indicators have intersected and are trending downward, suggesting a potential downtrend. I consistently provide straightforward strategies that I've personally honed and found effective, making them easily applicable for you. Excitingly, my capital keeps growing steadily, and I'm confident it will surge significantly. I consistently stress, particularly to newcomers, that rushing leads to poor trading habits. Discipline is paramount in trading. Rushing into trades fosters a gambling mentality. It's crucial to cultivate a resilient mindset through disciplined habits and wait for favorable trading opportunities. My success is ongoing, and while it might seem effortless, it's the result of a refined process. Presently, my capital stands at $1,440, an impressive achievement. The stochastic oscillator indicator has recently crossed the oversold threshold and is now trending upwards, a trend further supported by the moving average. This combination provides a compelling signal indicating an uptrend in prices. Consequently, I anticipate a price increase. Should any aspect of this analysis be unclear, please feel free to ask questions in the comments below, and I'll gladly provide clarification. Additionally, I'm fostering a trading community at absolutely no charge. You can join us by clicking the link below. Exciting news, my account's current capital stands at $2,664. In this situation, I predict that the price will decrease. However, I encourage you to delve deeper into the reasoning behind this prediction. So, please explain below to demonstrate your understanding of this strategy. When trading with significant capital, confidence and careful attention to key factors are crucial for achieving optimal success rates. Remarkably, this strategy has once again yielded profitable results. For this trading session, I've decided to wrap things up with 2 final trades, each totaling $2,500. I aim to conclude early to allow you time to practice implementing this strategy, confident that you'll achieve similar results. Amazingly, this session has yielded $9,103. My channel offers a plethora of methods, easily applicable even for newcomers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for your attention.